Okay, good morning, fellow YouTubers and stock investors. Hey, my name is Louis Cheney, and I'm doing a invitation to get 5,000 managed for free. So what I've done is I've shown you a sample account. So here's the sample account that I've gotten into, and let me just talk to you a little bit about some of the advantages of a Wealthfront account. So if you watched the last video, I gave you a link to sign up for $5,000 managed for free through Wealthfront. And then after you pass that $5,000 balance, well, then we'll start paying that. I believe it's a 0.25% fee, so you have to do your own research on that. But anyway, I've been investing for over 2 years. This is by far one of my favorite ways to invest. I've done swing trading before, and the past 2 years. So I've been around the stock market. However, there's so much out there, no one really is the expert. So you're going to have to do your own research. I'm going to encourage that. But nonetheless, I am above the age of 30, and I've created a budget, and I've been able to save some money here and there. And so I have a little left over, and so I decided, hey, let's see if I can do without this money for 5 years. So that's your strategy. Can we do without this money for 5 to 10 years? And are we willing to tie it up in an investment account? Anyway, I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in mathematics. Not much in the finance industry, but I have been doing quite a bit of reading over the past 2 years about the stock market because it's interesting to me. It has numbers. I mean, I'm a math nerd, so I love the numbers. So the point of this video is to get inside the Wealthfront app a little more to hopefully convince you to sign up and join for free. To get that 5,000 managed for free. That's off investing. So let's go over the screen real quick. So the good news is I'm on the all-time screen here, and all-time with this investment account, I've had a 23.75% all-time gain. All right, so if you look at this bottom line, that bottom line is actually the amount of my contributions. The top line, well, that's the stock market fluctuating. That's the amount of my interest. Okay, so there it is. If you want, you can get the 5-year picture, the 3-month picture, the 1-year picture, the 6-month picture. To see, well, how's the market been doing the past, several months. Here you can see this drastic dip. I believe that was back in 2020 when we had the COVID shutdown. Anyway, my account was down a lot, but I had that strategy. Hey, let's just hang on to it for at least 5 to 10 years. And slowly the market came back. My contributions were still constant monthly, and the line grows. So you can see the money grow. Anyway, this portfolio was based off an 8.5 risk score. And so you're going to get to see a little bit inside the app, a little bit inside the portfolio. So let's go to the next screen here. Nope, not that one. Merry Christmas, wrong one. Okay, here we go. Here's the Explore part of the Wealthfront app that I wanted to show you. So you decide what portfolio you build. It's nice. You can do a classic portfolio, which is globally diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds designed to grow your money. Okay, so when you hear the word index fund, think an ETF. So like the Schwab, SCHB, the Schwab. That would be an example of an ETF, where it's low risk, but over time it can gain quite a bit. Okay, so I took you into a sample screen for the U.S. stocks. Again, this is the amount of money that's in U.S. stocks right now. Over time, it looks like I have 39.5% time weighted return. And this year, it's annualized 16.8% return. Year-to-date returns. Like, whoa, what the heck's going on? How come year-to-date my money's down 7.1%? Well, that's the effect of the stock market. It's going to fluctuate. It's going to go up and down. But these are actual tickers in the stock market. So let me annotate here so you can see the VTI. So if you go in any investing app and you look up VTI, you can find the price of that at any given investing day. But this is the exchange trade fund that I'm invested in, or the sample account is invested in. There are 20 shares that are owned, and this is how much it costs. That's how much it was acquired for, and this is how much it's worth right now. If I was to withdraw this amount of money out, I can make interest, take your 4486, subtract 3516, and that's a gain of 970 in interest for the VTI. So here's the Schwab. This is a U.S. broad market ETF. That's that word again, exchange trade fund. 50 shares are owned in this sample account. This is how much they were acquired for. This is how much they are worth right now. Anyway, so I've taken you inside the Wealthfront app a little bit. So hopefully this gives you more confidence to try something out for free, where really you decide how much money you put in. 500 is the minimum. Again, I'm going to highly encourage you to use my link, and I'll post that at the end of this video. And if it's not posted here, watch my last video, and it'll be posted there. Anyway, again, thank you for watching. This has been a video inside the Wealthfront investing app. Kind of, tempt you a little bit, get your curiosity going with this Wealthfront app, which is really hands-off, stress-free investing. You pick a number 0 to 10 on what risk score that you can accept, and then based on that, they'll build a diversified portfolio for you. Again, like and subscribe to this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. You have a great day. Bye.